Again, this is the sum under the daters method on a cost price. So let's read the sum. From the following information, prepare Madras branch account in the books of head office for the year ending 31st March 2014. Now, we have to prepare a Madras branch account and that also in the books of the head office. Head office uska branch maintain kar raha hai. Now, and what is the another information which has been given? They have given us the information regarding depreciation, that the depreciate the furniture at the rate 10% per annum. ठीक है, अब ये वाला जो देखो नॉर्मली वी हमने अभी when we were doing the theory I told you that depreciation which has been charged on the assets is never recorded in the this it is not recorded. तो फिर ये वाली जो information है वो किसके लिए दी गई है? तो रुको पहले पूरा सम पढ़ते फिर हमें इससे आइडिया आ जाएगा कि ये जो information है वो किसके लिए है. But normally depreciation won't be recorded. So now opening stock at the cost. So see in the bracket they have already given you the cost. तो यहाँ पर identify करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि हाँ ये cost method है because they have already given it up. Opening balance of a debtor as well as the opening cash balance of the petty cash is given and the furniture का opening balance is given in the beginning. So opening balance का हम कहाँ पर record करते हैं? Obviously, we record on the debit side. Why? Because HO consider the branch as its debtor. So we have to apply the rule debit the receiver and credit the giver. So write down the balance first. To balance brought down. First one is of a stock. 3,56,000. Second one is debtor. 28,000. Petty cash. 500. Furniture. 12,000. And then we have a okay opening balances इतने ही थे खत्म हो गया. Next one is opening creditors 12,000. Tell me liability का opening balance कौन से side आता है? Obviously credit side पर. So the opening balance of the creditor will be written on the credit side. So by balance brought down and this is of a creditor. So if we want we can write it down in the bracket. And the balance is 12,000. Now next, goods sent to branch at the cost. Now if the goods are being sent to the branch at the cost, then where it will be coming? Obviously it will be debited. Okay, it will be debited. So we have to write down on the debit side to goods sent and the amount is how much? 10,44,000. Next one, goods returned by branch to HO. Goods return हो गए, goods are going out now and अब HO क्या होगा? HO को receive हुआ है, credit the receiver, so it will be written on which side? It will be written on the credit side. So by goods sent to branch, goods sent by branch to HO. They are basically returned goods. 17,200. Next is goods returned by the customer to the branch. Where it will be recorded? Credit side? No, class. I have taught you that whenever the branch and the outsider have a transaction, it won't be recorded in the books of the HO. ब्रांच और थर्ड पार्टी का जब भी कोई ट्रांजैक्शन आएगा, इट वोंट बी रिकॉर्डेड ओवर हियर. सो गुड्स रिटर्न बाय द कस्टमर टू द ब्रांच. कस्टमर ने गुड्स रिटर्न किया है ब्रांच को, तो ये वाला जो ट्रांजैक्शन है वो यहाँ पर रिकॉर्ड नहीं होगा. इट वोंट बी रिकॉर्डेड. So this will not come. Next now. Closing stock at the cost. Now they have given us the closing balances. So by balance carried down. First one, it is given of a stock 3,76,800. Next one is closing stock of the debtors 1,92,000. Closing stock of the petty cash. So petty cash 240 rupees. Next they have given for the furniture. And they have put it the question marks. अभी find out करना पड़ेगा हमें furniture का balance. Now see class, opening balance is given to us. Correct? कितना opening balance है? 12,000 rupees का opening balance है. Now जब अगर हम depreciation ये opening balance पर charge कर देंगे and if we subtract it up, तो we will be getting a closing balance. तो अब पता चला ये information हमें क्यों दिया गया था. Why this information was given? To find out the amount of the closing balance of the furniture. तो देखो 10% का depreciation है. Opening balance was 12,000. 12,000 का 10% comes to how much? 1,200. And if I subtract the depreciation from this furniture, I will be getting a closing stock. Obviously, देखो 12,000 minus 1,200 का depreciation. So कितना हो जाएगा मेरा closing stock? So class, what is the balance of the furniture? 10,800. समझ में आया? So this 1,200 का after charging the depreciation, we got a closing balance. So always remember that no entry will be passed for the depreciation. और जो भी वैल्यू है हम वैल्यू लेंगे डेप्रिसिएशन का, बिकॉज अगर ये वैल्यू के वजह से डेप्रिसिएशन की वैल्यू के वजह से द क्लोजिंग स्टॉक जो भी क्लोजिंग बैलेंस है दैट विल गेट डिक्रीज. ठीक है. और हम देखो डेप्रिसिएशन ऑटोमेटिकली क्या हो गया, बैलेंस हो जाएगा. ईयर 12,000 का डेबिट बैलेंस एंड 10,800 का क्रेडिट बैलेंस. सो ऑटोमेटिकली जो डेप्रिसिएशन का 1,200 है वो क्या हो जाएगा, एडजस्ट हो जाएगा. Now closing creditors we have 12,000 rupees. So this is a liability ka closing balance which will be written on the debit side. So to balance carried down. ₹12,000. This is of a creditor, so we can write it down in the bracket that this is for the creditor. Next, check sent to branch for the expenses. HO ने send किया है branch को check for the expenses purpose. So this is nothing but this is the remittance to the branch by the HO. So it will be debited. So to bank and ये क्या है, ये remittance है जो HO ने branch को दिया है. and 99,740 is the amount. Next is cash received from the debtors. 12,78,000. So by बैंक, ये भी आपका पैसा किधर आएगा, बैंक अकाउंट में आएगा. And you can write down that this is a collection from the debtors. $12,78,000. नेक्स्ट इज कैश सेल्स ऑफ 64,000. ऑब्वियसली जो भी सेल हुआ है उसका पैसा वापस एचओ को जाना चाहिए. सो बाय सेल्स, कैश सेल्स 64,000. डन. सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल द ट्रांजैक्शंस. जितने भी दिए थे हमने सबको जॉट डाउन कर लिया. नाउ वी हैव टू जस्ट बैलेंस इट अप. ठीक है, बैलेंस करना है और देखना है कि वेदर वी आर अर्निंग द प्रॉफिट और वी आर इनकरिंग द लॉस. Let's see which side is higher. In the credit side, I'm getting 19,51,040 rupees. Whereas credit side देखते हैं. Credit side it is coming to 15,52,240. So obviously credit is more than debit. तो हमें profit हुआ है. So write down the figure on both the sides. Got a profit, so it will be on the debit side to general profit and loss account. $15,52,240. So we have earned a profit of 3,98,800. समझ में आया? Anyone facing any of the doubt?